Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make vegetable soup in an instant pot. Start by sautéing aromatics on high heat, then add broth, chopped vegetables, herbs, and a pinch of salt. Seal the lid and cook on high pressure for about 6 minutes, then quick release or natural release for creamier texture. Finish with fresh lemon juice or vinegar and chopped herbs before serving to brighten the flavors. Gather your ingredients and keep them nearby to speed the process. Use carrots, potatoes, celery, onion, garlic, tomatoes, and any quick-cooking greens you like. Measure about 4 cups of broth and season lightly. You can always add more salt later. Fresh herbs work best, but dried herbs are fine in a pinch. Chop vegetables into uniform pieces so they cook evenly in the instant pot. If you're finding this helpful, please like and subscribe so I can keep sharing easy recipes. Quick recommendation: grab The Simple Path to Wealth, a book that reshapes how you think about money and helps free up time to cook more meals you love, like this soup. Check the description for the link and other deals, and consider it a tiny life hack investment. Now let's get back to the video. Sauté the onion and garlic directly in the Instant Pot using the sauté function until soft and fragrant. Add the remaining vegetables and pour in enough broth to just cover them, then secure the lid and set to high pressure for roughly 6 minutes. Use quick release for firmer vegetables or natural release for softer results. Stir in greens and a splash of acid after cooking, then taste and adjust seasoning before serving.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.